Today I'll show you how to set up and troubleshoot your TikTok shop. Let's get started. First I'll show you how to fix the TikTok shop not showing. Open the app and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. In the upper right corner, tap on the menu icon and then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Support section and tap on Report a Problem. Submit a report and type in your issue, such as the TikTok shop is not showing. Click Submit and wait for TikTok to respond. They will usually get back to you within 1 to 3 business days. Now let's walk you through the process of setting up your TikTok shop. Go to the TikTok Seller Center, choose your region and click Enter. Click Sign Up. It's best to start with a new TikTok account rather than using an existing one. You can always link your existing TikTok accounts later. Choose Sign Up with email or phone number. Next, select your business type. If you don't have a corporation, choose individual. You can change it later if needed. Upload your IDs for verification. You can use a passport or driver's license. After that, enter your address and taxpayer ID. If you're an individual, use your social security number. Confirm your compliance with TikTok's terms and select the country or region where your data will be processed. Enter a generic store name and choose primary product or service. Enter your phone number to complete the sign-up. Your store will be under review, which usually takes less than 2 hours. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.